In 2026, the web design is no longer just about looks. Users expect website to understand intent, guide actions, and feel intelligent. Attention is short, expectations are high, and only thoughtful design survives. Let's explore the top design trends shaping 2026. Trend 1. Action First Interfaces. Action First Interfaces is a big shift in how websites and apps are designed. Instead of only showing information and waiting for users to click through options, these interfaces actually helps user complete tasks automatically. The system understands intent, suggests action, and sometimes even performs steps for the user. For example, dashboards that suggest what you should review, checkout page that already remember your preferences, or tools that execute multi-step searches with a single input. This reduces decision fatigue and saves time. Users don't need to think about what to do next. The interfaces guide them. This trend is especially powerful for SaaS platform, booking system, and productivity tools where people want efficiency instead of exploration. Number 2 is art-directed interfaces. And this is where design becomes expressive again. For years, most websites followed clean and minimal layouts. Very safe, very functional, but also very similar. Now designers are bringing artistic techniques into real interfaces. We are seeing custom illustrations, college style, texture background, asymmetrical layout, and handcrafted visuals, all blended with usable UI. This doesn't mean usability is ignored. It means brands are adding personality and emotions while still keeping things functional. When done correctly, these interfaces feel authored instead of templated, and that makes them much more memorable. This trend works especially well for creative brands, portfolio, cultural projects, and marketing websites that want to stand out visually. The TLDR experience. The TLDR experience is all about respecting user time. People don't want to read long blocks of content immediately. They want quick answers first. So modern interfaces now show short summarize, key points, or quick benefit right at the top, and then allow users to explore deeper only if they want to. This is called progressive disclosure. Users can scan fast, understand the core message, and then decide if they want more details. This works great for blogs, product pages, documentation, and landing page with complex offerings. Instead of forcing users to read everything, designers now let users choose how deep they want to go, which improves engagement and reduces drop-offs. Number 4 is scroll-directed storytelling. Here, scrolling is not just a way to move down the page, it becomes part of the experience. As users scroll, animation trigger, content appears step by step, diagrams come to life, and stories unfold in a specific sequence. Designers use scrolling to control pacing and guide attention. This keeps users engaged because each scroll reveals something new. It feels more like watching a story than reading a long page. This trend is perfect for product launches, case studies, brand stories, and portfolio websites where narrative and visual impact really matter. Number 5. Warm interface aesthetics, also known as Cute-alism. This trend focuses on making interfaces feel friendly, welcoming, and less intimidating. Instead of sharp edges and cold colors, designers are using rounded shapes, soft colors, playful illustrations, and friendly microcopy. The goal is to reduce anxiety, especially for users who are not tech-savvy. When interfaces feel warm, users are more likely to explore, try features, and recover easily from mistakes. This is very useful for onboarding screens, wellness apps, learning platform, and consumer tools. It's not childish. It's about emotional comfort and approachability. Number 6 is depth-based interface design, where designers use 3D space and layering to organize content. Instead of everything living on one flat screen, information is arranged using depth, parallax, and spatial positioning. This helps users understand the relationship between elements, what's on top, what's behind, and what belongs together. It also creates more immersive and memorable experiences. Thanks to better browser performance and technologies like WebGL, these designs are now much more practical. This trend works well for project configuration, data visualization, immersive brand sites, and design-focused portfolios where visual storytelling is important. On number 7, we have intentional imperfection. These trends aid hand-drawn elements, sketch lines, imperfect shapes, and organic details into clean digital interfaces. As more designs are generated by system and templates, human imperfection feel more authentic. They show personality and craftsmanship. A simple hand-drawn arrow, scribble highlight, or a rough underline can attract attention and create emotional connection. It makes the design feel more personal instead of corporate. This trend works best when used lightly, just enough to add warmth without breaking usability. It's perfect for creative agencies, personal brand, and editorial websites. Trend 8. Variable typography and maximalist type. Here, typography becomes the main design element instead of just supporting text. Designers are using huge headlines, animated fonts, responsive letter forms, and variable font technology that changes weight and width based on interactions or scrolling. This allows text to feel alive and expressive without using heavy images and videos. It also improves accessibility when done properly because large text is easier to read. This trend works well for brand websites, creative portfolio, editorial platforms, and landing pages where strong messaging is the main focus. Number 9. Kinetic interaction design, also known as micro interaction. These are small animation that confirms action and guide behavior. Buttons that slightly move when clicked, forms that respond when something is wrong, cards that lips on hover, all of these make the interface feel responsive and alive. These details helps user understand what's happening and reduce confusion. They also improve usability by giving instant feedback. This trend is important for almost every digital product, especially dashboard, forms, settings panel, and apps where users interact frequently. Good motion design makes interface feel trustworthy and intuitive. On number 10 is future past aesthetics, where designers mix retro visuals with modern interactions. We are seeing inspiration from the 80s, 90s, and early internet like chrome effects, pixel graphics, neon colors, and geometric patterns, but implemented with modern design quality. It's not just nostalgia, it's reinterpretation. You get the emotional connection of all visuals combined with smooth animations and responsive layouts. This trend helps brand feel more cultural and less corporate. It works especially well for entertainment platforms, music brands, gaming products, and youth-focused campaigns. But it needs strong design direction, otherwise it can quickly look messy or outdated. My personal takes on these trends is that it's exciting to see how advanced and web design has become, from intelligent interfaces to immersive visuals and motions. But we also need to be careful. Heavy animations, 3D elements, and effects can easily impact performance if not used wisely. Today, speed and usability matter just as much as creativity. Users want beautiful website, but they also expect fast loading, smooth navigation, and clear flows. So the real challenge in 2026 isn't following every trend, it's choosing the right ones that actually serves users and business goals. That's all for now. These were the top web design trends for 2026. All the links to the design feature in this video are in the description, and if you want to dive deeper, you will also find our full article linked below with more detailed explanations and examples. Stay tuned for more upcoming design trends, and I will see you in the next video.